Hi guys, I gonna show you how to use your space from hard drive, which one is unallocated. So as you can see, that's on my computer I have three partition, 227 227 plus 454, but I know my hard drive hard disk is 2 terabyte, so there is almost 9 to 1000 GB space, so but it's not showing here. So how to allow the computer, that it can use my unallocated space. So that's the on my computer I have window 8. So go to the search and click the, you have to write run, RUN. So then there is a little bar will open, so you have to write it down here: disk disk mgmt dot msc, and okay. And then another bar page will gonna open it. So as you can see here, it's showing the 3, but that's the 953 GB space unallocated. So I want to use this one. I want to make maybe 2 more partition, and I want allow my computer to show me this one for using. So it's very simple, just click it here and click right, and there is a new simple volume. Click it there, and welcome to the new simple volume size. Go to the next. So that's the it's showing the total space, on my hard disk, how much I have it, which one is unallocated. So I gonna try to change it. I gonna make 2 partition. So next, that's the, it's giving name K. Okay, leave it like that. Next, finish. This operation you selected will convert to the selected disk, so it's working. Okay, now you see I have another partition. So but I need to yeah, that's the K. So DEK, and still almost 500 GB. Before it was 953 something, but now it's showing almost 500 unallocated, and I want to use this one also. So again, same procedure, click it, right click, click that one, next. So I want to leave it as it. I don't want to split it, so I gonna leave it like this one. Next, so it's giving name L. Next, again next, finish. So now I have almost 1000 GB more, and 2 more partition. So yeah, it's done. So as you can see, now I have 5 partition, and last 2 is new partition, which one we just created. So let's have a look on computer. Yeah, you see, before there was only 3, so now I have 2 more. So yeah, it's easy. So thank you very much. I hope you get something. Thank you. Bye.